Amazing trophy property. This property exudes charm and grace. Potential for the Mills Act. First time on the market since the 90s. All units have been refurbished and have their own yards, laundry and off-street parking. The front unit is a Craftsman with fruit trees, covered porch, suite window seat. Top-of-the-line kitchen with shaker cabinets and quartz counters, hardwood floors and a backyard that wraps all the way around with a deck and more. The middle unit is the smallest of the three, with a remodeled kitchen and bath, service porch, separate dining room, living and bedroom with French doors to the large fenced private yard. The rear unit is the largest of the three. Also, a Craftsman with a covered porch, open and airy floorplan, side deck and yard with citrus trees. Fully fenced around the homes. 3 off